How to transfer money to a Wise account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to a Wise account. Wise international transfers are fast, cheap, and secure. Before you can send a Wise international money transfer, you will need to create a Wise account. To do this, first, download the Wise app or head to the Wise desktop site. Next, register with your email, Facebook, Apple, or Google ID. Complete the verification step using your passport and you're ready to set up your first transfer. Once you have your new Wise account up and running, you're ready to make an international payment. Now select Send in the app or Send Money on the desktop site. Then, choose how you would like to fund the transfer and the currencies you want to send from and to using the drop-down fields. Confirm the type of payment and enter the amount you want to send, or the amount you want the recipient to receive. After that, confirm how you will pay for MYR. This is usually a bank transfer or FPX3. Next, enter your recipient's details, which can be their bank account information or email address. Later, review and add a message for your recipient. Finally, confirm and your money is on the way. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.